guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Edina and we are already in here, the beautiful island of Malta. We are going to spend 5 days in here and I will show you around the best places. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now so you are not going to miss any of the upcoming videos. And right now, let's get visit this amazing place. Hilton Hotel behind me is the highest point of the island, so if you feel that you get lost, just searching for this building and you will find the path. Portomaso is really the fancy part of the city. You can see behind me that so many crazy expensive yachts are parking in here, and also behind me there is the Hilton Hotel complex where people are not just living on holidays but also for long term. We have found in here basically the boat real estate, and I must say that the prices are crazy. Just to rent one of these super yachts in here for one day, it's around 7,000 euros, but there is also type of yacht that is 2,500 euro for an hour. So guys, we are staying in B hotels, so let me give you a little bit of room tour just to show our crib. So here was the entrance, and right hand side already we can see a small bathroom. I think it's very pretty. We have towels, there is a shower behind and toilet, so you know, nothing special. Okay, and right now here is the other part of the bedroom. Of course it's not that huge, so we have a decent sized bed, also some small facilities, and right now let's go and check out the balcony. And yeah, basically we have a street view, but right on the other side of the road we can find a small beach, so we are just going to go down there. So we have just arrived to St. George Bay. Actually this beach is only like 2-3 minutes walking distance from the hotel. I think it's very sweet. This is a small beach, there are tiny pebbles, so it's not a sandy beach, but there is a bigger area where you can swim, and also in the area there are so many restaurants, bars, and big nightlife also. So I think this is a great area if you want to spend a few days in here in Malta. In Malta, you definitely have to choose between if you want to travel cheap or you want to travel quick. The cheapest way to travel is by public transport, but I must say that it's pretty slow. Right now we are just going from the hotel to Hagar Qim, and it takes around 1.5 hours with the transport. If you're renting a car, or you can also rent a scooter, that's much more expensive, but it's going to save you a lot of time. Right now we are going to visit Hagar Qim, and so sorry from all the Maltese if I'm not pronouncing it correctly, but basically this is one of the most ancient religious sites in the whole world. It dates back to 3,600 years BC, so this is really old, and right now we are just going to get inside and we'll show you the details. So this site was building according to the direction of the sun, and in here you can check this out. There are a few buttons to help. In here you can see summer solstice. You can see that the sun rays are going into the main temple, and if you're going away you can see also winter time, it's happening the same. Basically, the whole temple was building around this sun movement, and in every time the sun ray is going into the main area. This wasn't a burial site as they did not found any human bones, but probably they have made sacrifices in here because finding the remains of animals, so probably this was the way how they have used the temple. During so many years, the site was destroyed by the local weather conditions, so a few years ago they have built this tent above, so in this case this gives a protection layer. And a 15-minute walk later we have arrived to Blue Grotto. This is an amazing sunny view from here. This day is going to about sea, sun and sand because we are heading to the very famous Comino island. Right now we are just waiting for a ride to pick up.
I hold on to this storm 'cause I need to be swept away, swept away. I'm cornered in the cold where you left me. Left again, left again. Oh, there's a jungle in my head growing wilder, and it's killing me.
This is going to be our first stop. This is Crystal Bay, and I'm already very interested in that how it's gonna be.
I cannot let you go.
This is already my third time in here in Malta, but I must say that Blue Lagoon is always the highlight of the trip. Just look at this turquoise blue water, it's unbeatable. So if you are coming to Malta, don't forget to visit this place because this is a must.
About to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no restraints.
Go diving!
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow, we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out.
We just look very pretty with the mark of the masks. Me too, and Latte as well. It looks very nice. And basically there aren't too many fishes in the water, but at least the color is just amazing. So here is the time to ask you to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. This was a really fun day in here in Comino Island. The next destination is a very sweet fishing village, but actually it has a very difficult name, so I will try to pronounce it. It is Marsaxlokk, but I'm not sure if it was right. I write it down to you, so just please, let's try it. Let's try to say it. Marsaxlokk? Marsaxlokk? I think it's right. Here is a little bit of fun fact about the city. The first season of Game of Thrones was shooted in here in Malta, actually, especially in here in Mdina. So what you can see right behind me, that's the entrance of Westeros. Edina in Mdina. You got it right. What an alliteration. Until the medieval times, Mdina was the capital of Malta, but right now only 300 inhabitants is living inside the walls, so this is the reason why they are also called this place the Silent City. B Hotel also has a great rooftop pool and bar, and from here the view is sick to the bay. Look at this. Here is the pool life. So here is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, don't forget to smash that like button so we can give some push for the algorithm, and we are going to explore new places next week in the next video. See you guys.